Tea for weight loss? Top 6 best homemade teas you must start drinking tonight. Are you thinking about teas that can help you with your weight loss goals? Allow us to help. In today's video, we feature some homemade teas that would not only help you lose weight, but also improve your overall general health. The Chinese people are known to have been drinking teas for many years and for a very good reason. There are studies which support claims that tea can actually improve overall health, prevent cancer, and increase blood circulation. Tea is also known to lower blood pressure, blood sugar, bad cholesterol, and fat levels. Tea also contains caffeine that can boost metabolism and promote fat burning. These teas contain natural ingredients. You can either obtain them from your local groceries or make them at home yourself. Number 1. Dried tangerine peel tea. Dried tangerine peel tea is prepared simply by getting dried tangerine peels and then pouring some hot water. Steep it for a few minutes and then it's ready to drink. Tangerine peel helps in detox and reducing grease. It is used to cure motion sickness, cold and flu. It helps in digestion and also cleanses the liver and the spleen. It is a good idea to drink this tea if you're feeling bloated and after an episode of overeating. Number 2. Lotus leaf tea. This tea is easy to prepare. You just have to scoop out about 3 to 5 grams of lotus leaf tea, then add a couple of rosebuds or cassia seeds. Lotus leaf tea is beneficial for your liver, your spleen, and your stomach. It also helps cure menstrual pain and control your menstrual cycle. In addition, it promotes metabolism, relaxes your body, lowers blood pressure, and lowers cholesterol. It can even treat diarrhea. It detoxes the blood and helps with internal heat. Number 3. Oolong tea. You can get your oolong tea from your local supermarkets. To prepare oolong tea, just pour boiling water and let it steep for 2 to 5 minutes, depending on how bitter you want the tea to be. Longer steeping times can allow additional flavors to develop for a richer taste. Oolong tea boosts your energy and extends the process of fat burning. It makes you feel fuller for longer so you eat less. It also contains loads of antioxidants that can aid your metabolism. Number 4. Pu'er tea. Mostly available in Chinese Asian grocery stores. Pu'er tea needs a fermentation process. The longer you allow it to ferment, the better it is going to be for your health. Just like wine, the longer you age it, the better it tastes. In China, you can get pu'er teas that are very expensive because they have been preserved for a very long time. When preparing pu'er tea, you have to infuse it 3 times and throw away the water 3 times. You're basically rinsing the tea first. The 4th infusion is when you actually steep the tea and drink it. This is the best way to drink pu'er tea. Pu'er tea has been shown to help cut grease, making it very good for weight loss. When you consume lots of greasy food, drinking pu'er tea will help cleanse your system from all the oils. Pu'er tea is also good for digestion, improves your intestinal health, helps to reduce stress, and helps in detox. Number 5. Chinese barley tea or the Job's Tears tea. You can get them pre-packaged or you can make your own. Just buy a packet of Chinese barley from your local store, wash it, and let it dry overnight. The next morning, you can place it in a pan over a very low heat and roast it a little bit, about 20 to 40 minutes. Once it turns golden brown in color, it is ready for storing. Every time you want to drink it, just add about 10 grams of it in boiling water and then enjoy it. You may add a little bit of lotus leaf or hawthorns, or drink it by itself. Job's Tears tea, also known as Chinese barley tea, can help treat bloating and internal dampness, or that condition where too much moisture water is trapped in the body. Chinese barley tea is good for improving skin quality, getting rid of acne, and suppressing allergies. Other health benefits are easing menstrual pain, lowering cholesterol, preventing stomach ulcers, and preventing osteoporosis. Before we go to the last tea variant, show us some love by subscribing to our channel. We would love to show you more amazing video content, so don't forget to smash the bell icon. And last but not the least, at number 6, honey lemon tea. To make honey lemon tea, you need some fresh lemon juice. Just add warm to hot water and then wait for it to cool down a little bit before adding the honey. This is essential so you don't kill all the benefits of the honey. Honey has been shown to increase the process of fat burning. It helps your body get rid of fat a lot faster. Lemon has a lot of benefits such as detoxification, making it good for your liver. It also helps cure bloating, lowers blood sugar, and lowers cholesterol. It aids in digestion, balances pH, reduces inflammation, and also clears the skin. We thought you might also love this special drink called the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic from an island in Japan. This mixture has been helping men and women lose up to 33.5 pounds of fat in just 30 days. As a matter of fact, a 45-year-old woman by the name of Susan Atley immensely benefited from it. She was suffering from an uncontrollable weight gain that was also life-threatening. She drank the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic consistently every morning before 10 a.m. She lost 54 pounds in only 7 weeks with no exercise due to osteoarthritis in her knee. This breakfast tonic only takes 3 seconds to prepare. We left the link to Susan's amazing story in the description. What are you willing to do for your health? We hope we were able to give you some ideas to get you started in your health plans. These ingredients are simple, natural, and easy to prepare. All you need is consistency and commitment. Cheers to your good health. Please support our channel by subscribing and smashing the notification bell.